All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A lot to talk about. Last night, we had a lot of active storms, and as these storms moved through Cass County, we knew the storm was pretty nasty. We had a severe thunderstorm warning, but we were getting some reports of some wind damage, as you see here, mainly in southern parts of the county and in towards Horace. But then after everything unfolded, we got your pictures, and there were possible tornadoes on the ground, such as this. Rotating column of air in contact with the ground. Poof, a lot of dust from our dry earth. Calvin capturing that. That was near Enderlin at 9:33. And this one captured in the dark of night. And Joel, this is a spectacular photo near Kindred, looking northbound into the storm. And take a look at this. Now you can clearly see this trunk on the ground here and some dirt being kicked up by that. But we may be looking at a multi-vortex type of a tornado. Here's another funnel-shaped cloud with possible dirt being kicked up on the ground. And this one also leads to a spot where some dirt either is or was being kicked up. So a very stormy situation last night across Southern Valley, and damage reports as well. Here is what happened near Horace. Thanks to Anonymous for uploading this to our site. And this, as it continued to work its way into Richland County, bending over the communication towers, or excuse me, electrical power line, transmission line towers as it went through. More damage into Minnesota as well as the storms made their way through. Let's take a look at our current conditions. Right now, it's been a quiet night, but hot and muggy here in the FM area. It's 81 degrees at the airport, still at 84 in Moorhead. 67-degree dew point. That is some sticky air you can wear. Sunset tonight was at 9:20. Here's a look at your temperatures. 80s still south in the Southern Valley, including Fergus Falls and Sisseton. 70s elsewhere, and it does look a little bit cooler out to the west where the rain has been falling. Dew points everywhere back up into the 60s. And one of the reasons that this is a good thing is we need moisture in the air to make rain. And we certainly still could use more rain in some spots, but not all. We have some flooding concerns down in southern portions of Stutsman County, northern parts of Lamar County, with radar estimates of 11 inches of rain. Now, as we head to bed tonight, there's storms out to the west in eastern Montana and the western Dakotas. They continue to need rain. Those storms, some of them are severe. Here's a look at a few showers pushing into the western reaches of Stutsman County, where we could take a little break from the rainfall. These storms, as they move into our area, in the overnight hours, the dark green shades here means there is a marginal chance of severe. I'm not too overly optimistic we'll see anything severe, but on Thursday, there's a better chance of some very strong storms out in the western Dakotas. Here's your forecast for tonight. Temperatures falling only into the 70s. Overnight showers and storms. You may hear rumbles of thunder and some small hail potential. With a little gusty wind, we rise and shine in the 70s. Quickly, we're going to race up to near 90. Most areas at near 90, with the exception of the Devil's Lake Basin, a little bit more of a north flow with isolated afternoon thunderstorms in the forecast. 72 in Fargo as you're heading out the door on your way to work, and you can shed any jacket and man, stay cool tomorrow. You'll want to drink plenty of fluids. 95 degrees with a south wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. It looks dry in Fargo. Spotty storms mainly north and northwest with temperatures a little cooler in the Devil's Lake Basin. Gorgeous shot here, Adam. Thanks for sharing. Downtown Fargo, the planning forecast shows Thursday, hot and very dry for us. Some storms out west that could be strong to severe will move our way into Friday morning. That'll be a pretty good chance of rain here and some thunder. And that cools us off for early Friday and Saturday. Then we heat right back up to near 90 to close out the weekend.
My grandmother used to say this kind of weather is like close. That's what she would say.
It close?
Close. Feels close.
I hear you. It's kind of surrounding.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.